Amigurumi Joys, easy amigurumi and crochet projects. In this step-by-step crochet tutorial, I'll show you how to make a cute mini crochet bandana, make ties, or how to sew the bandana securely onto your amigurumi toy. You will also learn how to easily adjust the pattern to make a crochet bandana in any size. Watch my other tutorials, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. Happy crocheting! Mini Bandana. Crochet by turning rows. Start with a slip knot. Row 1. Make 2 chain stitches. Then skip the first chain. Make 2 single crochet. Chain 2, 2 single crochet into the second chain. Make chain 1 and turn the piece. Row 2. Skip the chain 1. Increase into the next stitch. 1 single crochet stitch into the next stitch. One single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch into the chain 2 space. One single crochet stitch into the next stitch, increase into the last stitch of the round. Then make chain 1 and turn the piece. Row 3. Skip the chain and make increase into the next stitch. SC in next 3 stitches. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2 space. C in next 3 stitches, increase into the last stitch of the round. Make chain 1 and turn the piece. Row 4. Skip the chain and make increase into the next stitch. 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2, space. One single crochet in next 5 stitches. Increase into the last stitch of the round. Make chain 2 and turn the piece. Row 5. Skip the first chain and make increase into the second chain. One single crochet in next 8 stitches. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the chain 2, space. One single crochet in next 7 stitches. Increase into the last stitch of the round. Make chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Keep watching if you would like to make ties. Sew the bandana to the toy. If you want to add the ties, at the end of the 5th row, make 11 chain stitches. Skip the first chain from the hook and turn back with slip stitches in each chain. Then use single crochet stitches to work across the top edge of the bandana. For the second tie, make 11 chain stitches. Skip the first chain from the hook and turn back with slip stitches in each chain. Since I use chain stitches for the ties, you will be able to make ties any length you need. Just make sure to remember how many chains you made for the first tie, and make exact same number of stitches for the second tie. Cut off the yarn. Secure the yarn and hide the remaining yarn tail. If you need to make a larger bandana, at the end of the 5th row, make chain 2 and turn your work. At first, you need to make increase into the second chain from the hook. Then 1 single crochet into each stitch until the chain 2 space. Single crochet 1, chain 2, single crochet 1 into the chain 2 space. Then 1 single crochet in each stitch until the last stitch of the row. Make increase into the last stitch. Then make chain 2 and turn. Repeat the pattern until you reach the desired size. The perfect size for amigurumi toys. Crochet animals, teddy bears, dolls, and plushies. At your choice, you can sew a bandana to the toy or make ties. Here you can see a child-sized bandana. Thank you for watching.